men are non-custodial parents and don't have the privilege to see their kids, even if they've been to, an attorney and received visitation orders, oftentimes the mother of the child will violate those orders for one of the main reasons. One, if the father has moved on or found another wife or woman, or she will keep him from seeing his child. Well, Texas has a new law that started September 1st and is now charging a $500 fine to the mother if she prevents the father from getting his child. Check this clip out.
I'm a Texas attorney, so anything that I discuss on this TikTok only applies to Texas. And honey, I got some tea for my non-custodial parents, so come in, sit down, get comfortable. Since I'm giving out the tea, don't forget your tea. Okay, so starting September 1st, your county or your municipality, of course if you live in Texas, can now issue a fine up to $500 for those interfering with child custody orders. More specifically, Texas Family Code 157.551, also known as House Bill 969, is a code that you can look and read on your own about this new code that's coming into effect on September 1st. More specifically, the state of Texas is basically recognizing that the courts are backed up, and they understand that you litigants need a different way or a different remedy to enforce your child custody orders. Now listen, I don't know what this means for you, because Texas is actually leaving it up to the county or the municipality to enforce or bring this ordinance into play. But the way I see it, it's a win-win situation, because typically my clients or people that I talk to, when they're being denied possession of their child, they must file an enforcement with the court. However, Texas is now saying you can still file an enforcement with the court, but if someone is violating the child custody order, now they can be issued a fine. And I think this is wonderful for those parents who maybe they don't even have money to file an enforcement. So I gotta call the baby mamas out. If you are withholding that child from their daddy, you better hope your county don't put this law into effect. And if you are being denied possession of your children, or if the other parent is withholding the child and you have a custody order in place, give me a call and let me fix it.
This needs to be a law all over the U.S. Men, you probably want to move to Texas. Shoot, my husband need to move to Texas also, because this is a great idea. It's a great idea. Now, many people are saying some of these states are only passing all of these new laws because men are leaving. I'm assuming they were talking about, the states and the birth rates, were declining. Now, I don't know how true that is, but I guess I could see that being a possible reason. But men, fathers, there you have it. I would still suggest, though, that you get an attorney, just to be on the safe side. I believe this new law will make a lot of mothers get some act right. Because one thing they are not going to want to be hit with is $500 fees every time they want to, be petty and deny these fathers from getting their kids. And so I believe that this is great. Drop a comment below. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Blessings.